In this tutorial, you're gonna learn how to add a Twixtor effect to your clips and make them look awesome, all done in After Effects. First off, select your clip layers and then enable motion blur, and then double click this box here to enable frame bending. Next, right click each of the clips and pre-compose them. Make sure to choose move all attributes to the new composition and then check this setting here before hitting OK. Now in the effects panel, search for the Twixtor Pro plugin and add it to your first layer. In the effect controls, uncheck this setting here and set the prep image to contrast/edge enhance. Change the frame interp to motion weighted blend and then set the warping to inverse with smart B. After that, click on the stopwatch of the speed setting and set it to 200 and move your time indicator towards the middle point of your layer and change the speed to 30%. Now move towards the ending point and reset the speed back to 200%. Hit U on the keyboard and after that, select your keyframes and right click them, expand the keyframe assistant and then click on Easy Ease. Go to the graph editor now and make sure you're on the edit value graph and just copy my exact graph. And now to copy this effect onto your other clips, expand this arrow here, select the effect setting and hit Ctrl C on your keyboard. Then go to the first frame of your second clip, select the clip layer itself and hit Ctrl V. Do this for all of your other layers. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.